Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking prerequisites: a clear ML niche, basic coding setup, and source materials. First, pick one concrete project or paper to teach. You'll use it as the spine for several episodes. Then create a minimal reproducible notebook so viewers can follow. This becomes both demo and asset. Once done, plan 4 topic outlines tied to that project and schedule 1 or 2 production days per week so momentum starts immediately. You now execute production. Decompose each episode into concept, live demo, and takeaway. This keeps attention and teaches the why. While recording, narrate decisions and expected outcomes, highlight common pitfalls, and show concise code run so viewers replicate results. After recording, edit to cut filler, add captions, and push a clean, runnable repo with clear README. Make sure to include timestamps and short clips for social shares. You finish by publishing with a strong call to action and an exercise that requires the viewer to modify the notebook. That drives engagement and learning. Then analyze metrics: watch time, repo clones, issue reports, and iterate on format or pacing each week. If things go wrong, narrow down reproducibility, lock dependencies, add requirements, TXT, and provide a small dataset. If viewers complain about clarity, re-record a focused microclip, addressing the exact confusion, and link it to the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.